Residents of Lapangap village along the disputed Meghalaya border staged a protest in Shillong on Wednesday, demanding immediate intervention from the Meghalaya government over the long-pending boundary issue and alleged harassment faced by villagers from the Karbi Angalong side of Assam. The protesters, accompanied by members of the Khasi Students' Union (KSU) from the Narsing Circle and the West Jantia Hills District Unit, assembled at Barik Point before marching towards the main secretariat. During the protest, demonstrators pushed past police personnel and reached the area outside the main secretariat gate while raising slogans demanding protection for villagers and resolution of the border dispute. The villagers expressed frustration over what they described as repeated assurances from the government without any concrete action on the ground. They alleged that despite several meetings and promises, residents of the border area continue to face uncertainty, tension, and insecurity. According to the protesters, recurring disputes and tension along the Meghalaya border have severely affected farming activities in Lapangap and nearby areas, creating fear among villagers who rely on agriculture for their livelihood.
आराम से स्की फाइव स्की जाए one room labiang आराम से स्की फाइव स्की जाए one room labiang
Like this, the people of Lapangap village and some of the NGOs met me about this Lapangap issues. So there is some things happening for the last few days. So about now it's a time to go for the farmer has it's a time to go to cultivate their land. So there is some disturb from the Karbi side. So about the issue they made me. So we had a very fruitful and good meeting with them. So but I showed them from the government we try to do at our level best to protect our people. Peace should be maintained as usual.
Sir, there's a border issue again.
Border issue. They are coming and discussing about this, their livelihood, which are a part of the village Lapangam, which has been normal for the last so many years, have been cultivated paddy field in the Karbi side. That this is not a border issues, it's a state level subject. So today they came and request us, so it seems some of the Karbi people disturb them. So we are assured them we'll provide them full force from tomorrow onwards. So make sure the cultivate should be nicely, nobody should disturb them.
So will you also take up this matter with counterparts?
No, obviously. You see, because as of now we had discussed this, so both the DC will discuss first, and even they had discussed this last few days also. So there is some more to be discussed. So, and even since the government of Assam has formed a new government yesterday itself, so obviously our chief minister has told me that he will discuss this issue even with the honorable chief minister of Assam also.
Sir, now issues that Karbi people are creating.
Yeah, yielding up all together because it's along the border. So we are waiting as soon as the government of Assam appoint the new chairman of the regional committee from their side. So we will take a call. We will meet the other counterpart in the appropriate time.
But they have also demanded to have more forces in the border area.
Yeah, they demand, but we are assuring we have provision. We will provide sufficient force so that their activities should not be disturbed.
So additional forces will be sent immediately because
No, it's already there, but some more they need, and we'll provide more immediately.
how many?
No, we'll provide as per needed.
Kongsan hi galong ba tanggawe hi ingwan mahni ba kesian borba met mesin ya ke doba senong lapangap ba di ginong rep kebadan hante ba mari jingi jinjar ma bi ide kapor hi ndai tang ta snem ndai ki snem ni balale jo ka don le jingi ki hak ba ki sa pendik ki bor pulit jong Assam bat khamtamru nak di brio Karbi ba sa ki di thai
tak kembangi kenali kini kamdei kamat kebaning kong mentama bengin yuk sko kejing syak penbit bila pengap dia hadin kejing singkia atau sarkar ke kejing ya biar ke pilai I syak kete jaga kala dan em kata kejing
kam haji ini jonga do menta ba kamdon keda kejing fer andai muswang no ba haji islam ni balalek kumcem islam kejing yo ban kebang turu kedai kejing pun barba na borok saudang ni naduk dang sonong ki seng bhalang sinjuk he sonong kunta terter naduk sarkaru henre ke jingyo pan odi tu kebaru kala long dirpor ki kedai jig jundu nong ga khara bhai nong rep ki mentau snem pat ade ke por ga samoy ban hiar ban rep henre ke jing ka teng biang mi biang jing ha ka ba ki pulit Assam ki kimsha ba ki nong rep ki wan rep kang jing hangla de ki ti ngai ba hadu menta mani de kam dei kam mi so mislah ra kam long fer mo
jika pakai jing dawa jong kisah ke sarkar minta kasni lada piyo benit ya penduk iki
ke jing dawa jongi ba tolong ba tanggawe hi ba kinong rep de banyo rep ni sto ba ban pembek upur usam ke simpor kron kami sarkar banyo ke por ke ba biang ba kendai ke bakongsan hi kolong ba kinong rep de banyo ban rep haki langkha la jong kamar ke tu langkha kim de ki jong ki Karbi ki de ki jong ki dok Islam de ki jong pangap angte ni kisong hak dan hak ban hiar rep makin lum ban lang yuk ba phau